we don't want to eat garbage, right?
Well, I don't want to eat garbage. Do you want to eat garbage?
No. Oh, how do you do that?
Cut it out.
What? Is that the pumpkin seeds that you're pulling off?
Mm-hmm.
Want one?
So we're gonna boil these because that is a trick. To make pumpkin seeds killer.
And then we're gonna eat them, right?
Well, we gotta cook them. We gotta boil them
We don't want to eat those pumpkins.
and get all this goop off.
That orange thing in from the pumpkin.
So we're gonna boil it.
No.
You know.
I'm just gonna have to wash my hands. Oops.
Yep.
Dropped
So
on
now-
my chair.
We gotta scoop out the inside of the pumpkin.
Scoop out the inside of it. They're yucky. They're kind of yucky, Daddy.
Yeah, a little bit.
I made bats yesterday.
You made bats.
Yeah, to put up in our class. My
Oh,
class.
that's nice. Were they scary?
Not really. They did not even have a face, though.
No face.
Nope. We gotta put them with water, though. They come off, right?
Well, yeah, we're gonna rinse it with water because it'll help cook the inside of the seeds so we get a real crisp pumpkin seed.
And then
Do you
we
want-
can eat them.
Yep, after we bake them. What do you want the seeds flavored like? Do you want them to taste like salty or do you want them to be spicy?
Salty.
Salty, okay.
I like salty pumpkin seeds, though.
What about maybe a little bit of garlic flavor?
Not garlic flavor, no taste.
No garlic? You don't want garlic flavor? What about pepper?
No.
No pepper? So you just want to be salty?
Yeah.
Okay, well then when we boil them, put a little bit of salt in the water. After they're boiled, then we rinse them. Put a little bit of olive oil on them and some more salt. Then,
Mama, we're over here carving pumpkins, and the seeds are in it, and then we're taking the seeds out, okay? Mama.
so hopefully we have a lot of seeds.
Ooh, we have a lot of seeds now, Daddy.
Yeah, more pumpkins too.